Ashaiman to the world. I'm here, Mr. Drew. He's got a big song with Stonebwoy, and it's been ages, man, but we finally saw him perform with Stonebwoy. That song is really dope. I don't want to go into the other side, but tell us, how was the experience with you?
It was good. I enjoyed everything. I enjoyed watching the people, sing. The energy is crazy out there. So yeah, big shout out to Stonebwoy, big shout out to Ashaiman.
And your song with FBS, man.
Yeah.
That song is dope.
Mad. One of the biggest songs out there right now. So go check it out. Go join the challenge as well.
You are doing very well. Enjoy your night, and we'll catch you on the flip side.